Hey you guys, my name is Ralph. I'm a Flexfilm and we are in the Flexfilm studio. We're still polishing up some rough edges around here, but in this video what I want to show you is some of the point of sale materials that we offer. You may want to hang some of these in your own store and some other little knickknacks that we have around here. And here we go. What's behind me are some of our, we call these economy, but these are actually our posters. We've gone to either Target or Walmart. We spent about 20 bucks and put them in frames, and I think they look pretty cool. They're big, they're poster size, they represent the shades that we carry, and they're colorful, and we have a poster for every one of our products. Retroflex, Terraflex, Panaflex, and Nanoflex coming soon. Moving on to this wall, I have some what we consider our mid-grade boards. These consist of a non-reflective layer, and you can see there's not much reflection of the light, which I think is kind of cool. There's a foam core here, so they're kind of thick, they're light. These are designed to where you can put a plexiglass with some tape and some sliders so that you can remove the plexiglass and show your customers the various shades that you want to promote in your business. These are cool. Okay, let's move on to our premium boards. Again, the similar design, like the mid-grade boards, it's almost like we've used this part of the board without the backing that we use on these boards. These are 2-level, they're really premium. They've got very cool risers. We use different color risers, coordinating with each product line. Also, these are designed to put the plexiglass here and the 3M tape with the sliders that go here, which look pretty cool. We don't have them here for display. And these are our premium boards right here. Again, every product line is represented. Let's kind of go back one step. We've got a couple of banner items here. We change these frequently. We've got a banner here that looks like a poster. It's real cool. It helps people make choices on what shade they want. This represents a car with no tint. This represents a car with 35. This is just a guideline. This just gives people an idea of how to make up their mind. This is not perfect science. We can explain that to people, but it's just kind of cool to have, just to help the conversation along when you're trying to get that shade choice out of people. Now this is just a banner. We make these in all sizes. This is our 2x6. We got 3x8s. We've got all probably normal banner sizes that just say window tinting. We like our banners to say window tinting because that's what people see first, and we brand our banners smaller, but the window tinting is what helps you guys the most because people need to know you tint windows. Let's move on down the line here. These are some older banners that we're about to update, but just for our conversation in the video, we've got this style banner, Panaflex, Terraflex. This is a Duraflex banner. We don't sell that anymore. We're gonna, here in a few days, have all these display boards that you've seen made in our vertical banner design, which go over really well with some businesses. Maybe you've got that special wall that needs this type of banner. We have them, they're pretty cool. We've got our tool wall, of course. Don't know if you need to hang up tools, but we like hanging up tools because when we're talking about how to tint windows and which tools we use, we want to be able to go straight to our wall, and we want to be able to show people what they can buy. We sell tools, all the tools you can think of, and there's tools that we sell that aren't even on this wall. We also, last but not least, we have our trademark heat lamp demonstration. This should be on everybody's counter in everybody's business. We know it has the glass slides, it has the powerful bulb. This is a great conversation piece when you want to quickly explain why Panaflex or Nanoflex is the best choice over other traditional technologies like carbons and especially dyed films. This is our heat lamp demonstration. Thanks for watching. I just want to give you a quick idea of some of the props, point of sale displays and things like that you can do in your business. You can even paint your business, cool colors. You want to brand yourself, we can help you. Thanks for watching. Good luck.